It's like I got it to Canada and I got the bird flu already.
You literally just missed the sign that said "Welcome to Saskatchewan."
Did I actually?
Yeah, like the one thing that would have been cool to video.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been trying to keep this a secret for a while, but we're in Canada. The boys, myself, Sam, and BW, the homies, and I woke up at 2 a.m. this morning to get going on this road trip. We just made it through the border and everything is looking good. But as you guys may know, Big Duck Opener just happened here in Canada on the 1st. It is currently like the 2nd or something like that, and we wanted to come up here and shoot some big ducks, maybe shoot some geese or some snow geese or some specks. Whatever happens, happens. Our good buddy Jeremy from 780 Outdoors contacted me years ago, and we've been trying to line something up, and nothing's really worked out until this year. So the boys and I, we're actually going this time right now, and then later in October we're gonna go back to shoot some more plumed out birds. But right now we just want to get on a brown duck beatdown and get the itch scratched. I'm getting kind of tired of the North Dakota early geese. I really just wanna hunt them brown ducks.
I'll scratch that itch.
But in total, the drive is supposed to be, I think it was like 14 hours, and we have 7 hours and 50 minutes. So we're making pretty good time right now. The plan is we're gonna show up tonight, meet Jeremy, do a little bit of scouting, and then hunt tomorrow morning, hunt on Saturday or Sunday, and hunt on Monday. So we have 3 hunts. Hopefully we'll get 3 banger Canada videos for you guys. You guys stay tuned. It feels good to be in Canada. This is your first Canada trip, eh?
It is. Should I have an accent?
I'm super pumped. This is the first time I have been.
Welcome to Tim Hortons. What can I get for you?
Hi, could I please get a maple bacon classic bagel belt, please? Well, when in Canada, you have to go to Tim Hortons. It's a staple. Just ordered a meal for literally the whole town of Weyburn, I guess.
Dude, stop! Get your greasy fingers out of here, boy.
Timmy's.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. We got the goods, boys. We got the goods. Ain't nothing like some Timmy's with the boys before a brown duck beatdown, old son.
Sure.
Woo!
All right.
Is it good, bud?
It's pretty good.
Many hours later.
Where you from, boy?
Woo! Well, hey guys, 7 hours later, we made it. We made it to the final destination. This is our hotel. It is about almost 5 p.m. here. Not bad, not bad. We got the 2 queens, so me and Sam are gonna be snuggling tonight and this next couple 3 days.
Rip.
And then Luke over here is already working, a hard working man. You should unsubscribe to him if you're subscribed to him. But a lot of you may be wondering where we are. We are actually in Alberta, Canada. Never hunted out here before. Like I said, I know Jeremy, and he said to come up, so we decided to come up. Again, we came up, we weren't even gonna come up this early. We were planning on just coming up in October, but he's like, hey, I got some dates open and some brown ducks to kill if you guys are interested. And I'm like, bet. I'm kind of tired of the geese already. So that's why we're up here. Plan is, the rest of the day, we are going to probably take a little nap, go meet up with Jeremy, do a little bit of scouting, and then hunt tomorrow morning. I'm just gonna document all of it. So I'll see you guys when we're scouting. You checking the oil, all son?
Looks like we got some leakage on the tire. Not looking good.
All right, guys, we just got out on a scouting mission here, and we met up with my good buddy Jeremy.
What up,
Jeremy,
what up?
how's it going?
Good, you?
I'm doing great. I was telling the fans, like, we've been talking for like around 4 years now, and like finally that we got something lined up. Like Sam and I and Luke, so stoked to be up here.
Jeremy, bro, come on, man.
But if you guys don't know who Jeremy is, Jeremy runs 780 Outdoors. If you guys want to check out his Instagram and YouTube, it'll be linked down below. Also, you take out residents on like some weekend hunts if they want, right?
Yeah.
So if you guys want to get a hold of him, you can check it out, all in the link below. But Jeremy's gonna be our homie, kind of showing us the ropes of Canada these next 3 days.
Hey?
Are you excited?
I'm excited, man. Glad you guys are here. Pumped up. It's my first day hunting tomorrow too, so super excited. Can't wait.
So yeah, I have the wrong lens on right now, but we got about, I don't know, probably like 200 birds up right now of ducks, and then we're looking at a feed right now. Again, I'm sorry, I have the completely wrong lens on, but we got a bunch of heavies out there. There's probably like, I don't know, 12 snows or so, maybe some specks, we're not sure. It's crazy. We show up to Canada, and this is already like the biggest feed that we've seen this year so far. Like all these birds about to dump in here, and yeah, this is crazy seeing all these birds. I might put on the long lens and get some footage of these things, but we are not 100% sure if we're gonna be hunting this tomorrow. We got some other places to check out, but in the meantime, just enjoy the scouting footage.
I'm gonna film with you guys here. Oh yeah, 100%. So we did call it up here in Canada. It's living in Canada is a few more pigs. I have a feeling though that someone else is probably hunting. It's just honks.
Alright, we good.
You good?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude, let's go. 1 for 1 in Canada?
We can't drive in it though, because of the club route. But like, it's an option if we wanted to walk.
Okay.
Well, we just rolled up on a field,
But at that
and
one that you said,
this
with
field's
the
pretty
snows,
loaded.
looks
There's
pretty good.
snows,
Like, sounds pretty
ducks,
good.
and geese in their heavies.
We can do
And
this Sunday, too. I told them
Luke's like,
tomorrow.
screw it. I'm gonna go ask this guy. So Jeremy's like, hey, go for it. You know, I've talked to this guy before. He said no. Luke went up there. He has a pair of nuts on him, as Jeremy said, and he got the yes. So we got options right now. This is freaking awesome.
Kind of like takes over the field. It's kind of a nasty weed that'll take over the field and destroy the crops, kind of thing. So we have to walk, but luckily the birds are literally like 100, 150 yards from his house where we can park. So it's definitely an option. We might hunt this one tomorrow morning or Sunday, but it's a
All right,
good
guys. So we're just sitting here watching the field that you saw Luke go and get permission for. Like I said, we have other options. I mean, we've seen probably like upwards to 500, maybe even more ducks in this, and then there's like 20 to 30 snows, then like another 200 geese or so, like heavies. But it's looking pretty good right now. The only thing is we have to walk into this place, so we're kind of looking through the binos, figuring out the best place to walk out instead of driving, just because we want to make the farmer mad. He said he wanted us to walk out here. I'm very excited. There are birds everywhere in Canada. This is nothing like back home right now. This is just awesome seeing this many birds and just being in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, like, it's literally like we're the only ones out here, and it's just gorgeous. We're watching a good sunset, and tomorrow morning we're probably going to see a very good sunrise. And I think it very well could get greasy tomorrow. Fingers crossed, and it may be even a mixed bag. So I'm thinking we're going to hunt this. Other than that, guys, we're going to go back home, put these birds to sleep, and come out here tomorrow and get them. So I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow when the fun begins.
The following day.
Oh yeah.
Oh guys, it's the next morning. We finally got everything set up. We are in a pea field, as you guys can tell. Look at this stuff. It's dope, man. It makes brushing in so easy. I like it a lot. But yeah, we're running, I don't even know, Jeremy, how many full bodies?
What, 8 dozen probably?
8, 9 dozen.
Canadas and probably
Ducks.
2 dozen ducks.
Yeah, so we got a good spread going. We got 3 spinners, pretty dang close. So hopefully we can get some good footage of some birds just dumping right in our face, man. It's shooting light right now, so we're just waiting on the birds, man.
Bro, how did that feel? They did it so good.
That was nice. I didn't even shoot.
Came out of nowhere. I was like messing with my camera trying to figure out like the focus stuff, and they just came right in.
That was just
perfect.
a poof.
That was perfect.
First group came in here. Beautiful morning here in Alberta. 2 of them just came in buzzing solo. I was like, oh yeah, I see a pair coming in. Bam, the boys waxed them. Shout out to Kevin. There's Kev Dog right there. Kevin. Hey. He's Jeremy's friend, and we actually decided to hunt his field tonight and save Luke's field that we found last night. And Kevin was scouting this last night, and he was nice enough to let us come out. So huge shout out to Kevin for letting us hunt.
Let's go, baby!
Brown ducks, that's all I'm on.
Specks, guys.
Get ready on the spec. Coming hot, boys. Ready? Go!
Yes! Yes, dude! Specks, baby! Let's go, Specks, bro! Mixed bag, boys! Oh my god, did you see the maple leaf, dude?
Oh, yeah!
Screw the geese. They're gonna do it. Get ready, boys.
Ready, boys?
I shot horrible.
Dude, they came in so fast, bro.
I shot God.
They came in so fast, dude.
Oh my god.
2 out of it.
Oh my gosh, those ducks were doing it, but they were ripping. I mean, absolutely ripping. Holy cow, boys.
Ready, boys?
I didn't want to shoot over yet, Jeremy.
Go, boys!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, another 3-pack came in as I was talking, and they cleaned them up. This is fun. I haven't shot yet. This is fun to watch. Like, I mean, mad fun.
We got heavies coming pretty good.
I know.
Well, let's do the ducks.
Look at this, guys.
Do the ducks?
Yep.
Look at them.
I think we'll even do one more. Oh. Man, I hate that.
Look at the geese out
Oh my
front,
god.
boys. Get ready
Oh
on
god.
the geese. Go side, boys, right on the deck.
You ready on the geese?
Yep.
Go, boys!
What?
Had to try it.
Not bad.
Dude, you see those ducks right away, too?
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Kill them all, boys.
He's hurt. Oh, we got him.
All right, guys, like, I'm sorry, it's just mad chaos. All of a sudden, for some reason, all the birds got up on the roost at once, or a lot of them, and they all came over, right over at once. We had the ducks just right in our face, as you guys saw. We waited for the geese. The geese came, and some geese died, but yeah, it sucks when they all get up like that, but I mean, at least they came over here, and I'm hoping there still are a couple more over there, and there is another roost about 1.5 miles that way. So I think that we still should see some more birds, but that was pretty crazy.
Kill them up!
Oh, that felt so good shooting big ducks. Oh my god.
Here comes the single.
So good. I think I shot 2 right there. Oh my god.
Shells, boys.
Shells, boys. That was nice. That's my first time shooting today.
That shot's not too bad.
I like that a lot.
Ready?
Yep.
Go 'em up.
Oh,
Dude, I watched like 70
oh my God, dude. What the hell, boys?
That was not bad for my first duck.
Bro, what the hell? This is too much fun.
Shells, boys!
Shells, boys, shells! That was gnarly, dude.
The feathers are still
Yeah, dude. Oh my God, dude.
That was nice.
Holy
Have you up front again? There's 3 of them.
You can shoot, Luke. Yeah, I'm not shooting geese.
Do I do them?
Yep.
They gotta come around again though.
This back 5 are doing it.
Ready?
Yep.
Murder them, boys!
Nice shot right there, Sam.
All but one.
Murder them, boys!
Nice shot right there, Sam.
All but one. All but
Oh
one.
my God, dude. All right, we're getting some gnarly footy right now. Ducks are doing it, everything's doing it. We're gonna do a little pickup. I'm sorry if this video is all over, but oh my God, dude, this is just pretty insane right now, honestly. Look at that, we got a pintail, a mallard, some freaking heavies. This is a tough problem, boys. This is a tough problem, Sammy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look, these ducks bombing in. Whoa. Oh, these ducks are bombing in. Oh God. Oh God.
Ready? Go 'em up!
Oh, I know more shells. No. No, I had no more shells. Oh, I missed the easy shot right away, then I had to go back to it. Yeah, and then I had no more shells. Another pintail. There we go. That ain't a problem. I keep saying this, dude. This is just way too much fun. Got some pintails. In Canada, you're allowed 8 ducks. Any species, any sex. That's cool.
Okay, dude, my GoPro.
Get down, Luke.
I'm gonna do these 3 though. Yeah. Kill them, boys! Nice.
Wow. There we go.
First pass, boys?
Yeah.
Kill 'em. 1, 2. What did you get there? 2.
It was like, oh, I'm gonna shoot. We're getting close on our duck limit, so that's when you got to be careful. And so I'm just trying to shoot my birds here. And yeah, no, this is a lot of fun. Groups are doing it good. No more words to say.
They're gonna light now. I'm gonna let them. You know what? Kill them. Do it.
Well, they are dead. Well, yeah, we got some shooters. 4 came in, 4 died. We just got a duck count.
No,
We
I
are
didn't
done
look
on
you. I
ducks.
just
We shot
saw
our
you.
40 ducks in like an hour, which is crazy. And we're gonna pull the mojos or the lucky ducks. Now we're just gonna wait on Specks and heavies.
Run, Jeremy.
This is funny.
These 2 are gonna die.
They're all coming on the left.
What do you want?
Left group.
Get ready.
Come on, boys.
Not right now, Mark.
2-pack front left.
Using the left right now.
You ready on these 5? Kill 'em, boys.
Nice. Nice. Very good shooting, guys. Boy, are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Like, this is what we're dealing with right now. Oh, let's show the folks those specs we shot earlier today. I forgot. I didn't get to show those folks. They're right here. There's a couple right here. Oh, we shot specs earlier this morning. I didn't get to show you. One of them was barred up.
Man. They're all. I'm pretty sure they're all barred.
Oh, that's sexy. Oh, more geese. Okay, never mind.
Another one from the right as well. Think we could try 'em?
Sure.
Try 'em.
Only got 2 of them.
They were overcalling, just keep it quiet.
Mm-hmm.
Murder, boys.
Good shooting. Good shooting.
Kill 'em, boys.
Nice shot, Luke. Well, boys, we just got done hunting. We did a little line for a pile pick, and oh my gosh, did we get spoiled for our first hunt in Canada ever, boys. Got a little mixed bag. We got the heavies in the back, then we got pintails, and then we got Mallards, and then the bonus specs, which I was honestly the most hyped about the specs. I think that's super cool. And what are the odds? They're all barred out right now. That looks sexy. And again, that's what it looks like. Huge shout out to my guy, Jeremy. Jeremy, thank you so much. And Kevin for helping us out and kind of showing us the ropes up here. Had an awesome first day. Again, this is me and Sam's first real-time hunting in Canada, and now the expectations are so high. It's like I feel like every hunt is like, oh, it's gonna be, you know, like this. But you know how hunting is. I'm not gonna do that. But this was so much fun, and it blows my mind that we're shooting big ducks right now, specs, heavies, in the beginning of September. I knew this was gonna be kind of a gamble coming up here, but at the same time, I'm like, dude, like, y'all are back home shooting teal probably, or early goose opener, but I needed to get some duck action. You guys know me and ducks. I'm a big duck guy and speck guy now, so I had to come up here and experience this, and it was amazing. Jeremy, did you have fun?
Oh, it was great, man.
Did you expect it to be like this, or were you like, you know?
I mean, I knew it would be, yeah, I knew we were gonna get our ducks.
Mm-hmm.
It's how many geese we're gonna get, but you guys have been shooting geese for the last month, so I was focused on getting you guys ducks.
Right.
But yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, we still got 3 more days too, so maybe one of those days could be more of a goose day than a duck day. But yeah, I don't know. It was super cool. Again, looks awesome. Sam, thoughts on your first ever Canada hunt?
Speechless, man. I don't know what to say, but A.
Luke, do you want to tell the camera what you thought about your first Canada experience?
I don't have many words, but wow would be one of them. Big shout out to Jeremy again and Kevin for getting us on this. We can't thank them enough. This was, I would say this was as good as it could have went for our first experience in Canada, and we're all thankful. That was an amazing morning.
But that is where we're going to end today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We did a little bit of everything, a little bit of scouting, a little bit of eating, a little bit of traveling, and a lot of shooting. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how's your season going so far. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we will have at least two more Canada videos coming out. And let me tell you guys right now, we got some fields lined up. You guys are not going to want to miss those hunts or any hunts the rest of this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.